Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the Lucid stock LCID. It has tumbled down in this past 1 month. It is down more than 25%. We will be talking about why and where the futures can go from here. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into and get started, give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all so you can get all my videos. Also, do take advantage of those links I have below. I do have two very important companies that can get you free stocks. One is Moomoo. If you open an account, put in $100 or more, you get a chance to get 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Plus a Christmas bonus of an iPhone 13 Pro. My viewers have been getting Tesla stock, Amazon stock, and Apple stock, so don't forget to get yours. Also, to Webull can get you 5 free stocks using my link down below. Take advantage of that as these promotions will not last long. Now transitioning, I did want to talk to you about Lucid Group, LCID stock. What is going on with Lucid Motors? Just this past Monday, just yesterday, it did join the Nasdaq 100. So it is now part of this big benchmark, which is non-financial companies that have huge trading. So it did join very big companies such as Microsoft, Apple, Google, Tesla, all the big names out there. It did join this very elite benchmark of the Nasdaq 100. So I do believe that a lot of investors were taking profits because they thought that this stock would go up. As you know, it has gone down quite a bit. It is at a new low in the past 1 month. It is back to $36, where it started at the beginning of November. LCID Lucid Motors had a huge increase in its stock in the month of November. We went from $36 all the way up to $55, which we tested 3 times in November. But since then, we have erased all those gains. We are back at $36, which is telling me it does give us very nice opportunities into the future to get that money back. That being said, this is a very nice buying opportunity in my opinion. I have been saying on my past videos, if you can get the stock under $40, you're getting a great deal. If you can get it under $38, you are getting a steal of a deal. I still stand by that. I still think that this is a steal of a deal if you hold this company for a very long time, at least 12 months or more, because it has very nice potentials to increase your money. In the next 12 months, I do believe that its nice price target is very close to $60. I think that this stock is very close to being worth $60. But moving forward, what is going on with this company? We have seen all that downward pressure in the month of December, and this was first starting with the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission, when it did subpoena Lucid Motors to provide financial information and future projection documentation when it was working with Churchill Capital, which is the special purpose acquisition company that did bring Lucid Motors into the stock market with a reverse merger on July 26th. So whenever it was CCIV, the stock, they did pretty much show that there's going to be huge revenues. They did look at their financial statements, and it showed that they could be causing some problems by, giving wrong projections. So the SEC is evaluating that. Lucid Motors is being fully cooperative, and so that is bringing downward pressure onto the stock. In addition, that same week, Lucid Motors did announce that it will be raising money, $1.75 billion, in offering some notes. These notes will be like bonds that they are giving a percent of 1.25% to investors that did buy these bonds. Since then, their goal was to raise $1.75 billion. So far, they have raised over $2 billion, which in my opinion is great news because there is a lot of interest from big financial companies to invest in Lucid in the long term. Now, these notes do have an expiration date of the year 2026. They are also convertible, which means that later in the year or later in the future, these companies can always turn and convert these to stocks, or they can, bail out and get all their money back plus that 1.25 interest, which isn't a big interest rate when giving all the inflation and all the markets going on, which does tell me that these companies are very interested in Lucid Motors and they do stand behind it and they do believe in the company. So that being said, just now, this past Monday, it was added into the Nasdaq 100, which does join this huge benchmark of the top 100 non-financial companies that do have very large tradings. They have to have at least 200,000 trades a day, 200,000 trades a day or more, and they have to have been in the stock market for the past 3 months. So Lucid Motors now does join this very elite group and this very nice benchmark that a lot of institutions do use. So in my opinion, I do think that this will help Lucid into the future as they are bringing this company into the Nasdaq 100, and it will allow a lot of future growth. Now, this stock has been hammered down quite a bit. So in my opinion, it has a lot of room to grow, but you are getting it at a very, very nice price right now. Very big things to look forward to that I am still keeping my eye out on is the delivery numbers. So far, we have not seen those delivery numbers. We have not heard anything from Lucid Motors about if they can deliver these 520 vehicles by the end of this year. We only have a few more days left in this year, so definitely very big things to look forward to. As you saw in my past video with Rivian, RIVN, they did not meet their projections, their production volume of the year 2021, and they missed it by several hundred. And I'm quoting the CEO, Scaringe of Rivian, that they missed it by several hundred. They were supposed to deliver 1,200 of their pickup trucks and the electric delivery vans to customers and to Amazon, but they did miss that by, quote, several hundred. They didn't give a specific number, but this is a huge downward pressure on Rivian, and as you could see, it did bring down the stock very close to that $90 mark. So the same thing could happen to Lucid Motors. We could have some downward pressure if they announce that they did not hit those deliveries. So we'll definitely have to keep my eye out on that, and I will keep you updated as this could bring the stock down even more. Rivian did quote that there are supply chain issues that did cause this. But as you know, Rivian is backed by Amazon, and it was backed by Ford, which Ford was helping it with its electric pickup truck and its SUV, but they did not meet their quota. So we'll definitely have to see, as their stock did suffer, we'll see if Lucid has the same fate. But in the next few days, we'll definitely have to see what this can bring. So a lot of volatility coming up in the next few days. Also, we do have that market being cooled off. We are having a lot of fear in the market because of inflation rates. With inflation going up is the highest that it has been in the past 40 years. We're also seeing that the federal government is talking about increasing those interest rates to decrease all that money in the circulation, which is causing all the inflation concerns. We also have the Omicron, the COVID variant, that is causing a lot of fear in the market because we are starting to get a lot more people infected. So a lot of pressures in the market right now, bringing the stocks down. But again, these are definitely buying opportunities, in my opinion. Remember, when there's fear out there, jump right in because this is the best time to buy. So definitely take advantage of that. But always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research before purchasing this or any other stocks, as I am not your financial advisor. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you learned something new, please give me that thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, coworkers, that next door neighbor. Also, I do have those very nice promotions down below. Right now, if you open a link to Moomoo, put in any amount of money up to $100 or more, we'll grant you 2 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, and a chance to get an iPhone 13 Pro as a Christmas bonus. If you put in $2,000 or more, we'll grant you 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Also, use my link to Webull, which can give you 5 free stocks valued up to $1,800 combined. So this is great opportunities to get those stocks for Christmas, as you can get free money. But thank you so much for watching the channel, for supporting it. Go out there and make some money, but most importantly, live life to its fullest. Enjoy your family, your friends, and enjoy your holidays. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.